In this video, we will learn how to install Microsoft Visual Studio on Windows 11 and create our first .NET Console application. So let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on the first official link that appears on the website. Then click on the downloads. You will see three editions available: Community, Professional and Enterprise. We will install the Community edition, which is completely free. If you like to compare the editors, you can click on Compare Edition, but for now, let's click on Free Download. So here the download has completed. Just right click and click on Open. So here it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. And now we need to click on Continue. So this will start the installation. After a few moments, you will see the workloads window. That is where you can choose what kind of development you want to do. So here we will select .NET Desktop Development. This will install all the essential tools including .NET Framework, IntelliCode, Just-in-Time Debugger, Blend for Visual Studio, and GitHub Copilot support. And here you can see the location, and here you can see the space required. So it is around 7.73 GB. Let's click on Install. The installation will take few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. When the installation completes, it will say all installations are up to date. So here, as you can see, we have all installations are up to date. And now you can sign in with Microsoft account if you like, but I will like to skip the step for now. Next, you will be asked to choose development settings, for example, C++, C Sharp, or General. If you are not sure, you can just simply keep it as General. You can also select the theme if you want, but I will keep dark theme. And now we can just click on Start Visual Studio Code. Here we need to click on Continue without code. And we need to click on Files, and here inside the new we have the option to create a new project. So I'll be creating a new project. So click on Project. In the search box, search for console. So here, as you can see, we have this console app .NET Framework. Just select this and click on Next. And here we can name the project name. So here I'm going to say NST console app. And this will be the location. If you want, you can choose the location to save the files. Right now I'm keeping as it is. Now let's click on Create. So Visual Studio will automatically generate some default code for you. So as you can see, this is the default code which is created by Visual Studio. You will notice a namespace which groups related class, a program class, and inside it there will be a main method. It is the entry point of your application. Now let's write some code to print a message on the console. So inside the main method, here I am going to say console dot write line, and inside the parentheses I will say NST Infotech. Add a semicolon, save this file. So this command will print the text NST Infotech, and you need to add one more console. So console dot read key, and we need to use the parentheses. Okay, add the semicolon, save the file. So this method wait for the user to press any key before closing the console window. It is useful so that the output remains visible after the program finish running. So once you have added the code, go to the file and do save all, or you can just do Control S. Now let's go to the build, and here we need to click on build solution. So if everything goes well, then we can see the console log. So here it says build 1 succeeded, 0 failed, build completed. Okay, and it is giving the time. So now we need to click on start. So here, as you can see, the output is NST Infotech, which is displayed on your console window, confirming that your program ran successfully. So this is how we can install Visual Studio in our Windows 11.